welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing try-on makeup tutorial for the month of, I was going to say December, but we're in January. I am going to be unboxing and doing a try-on makeup tutorial using the January 2020 Boxycharm. And spoiler alert, I did open up my box already, and this is probably one of my favorite boxes. I haven't been this excited for a Boxycharm box in a while. Like, their boxes are always great and they're very good, but this box makes me excited, which makes me happy. So yeah, we're going to be unboxing this box today and doing like a makeup tutorial using the products that are in the box. If you're new to my channel, if you have no idea what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription box. You receive 5 full-size makeup products for $25. It used to be $21. They did bump up the price to $25, but honestly, now you are guaranteed to receive 5 full-size makeup products, and the brands in here are freaking incredible. You will see from this box. So yeah, I'm really excited to bringing you guys this unboxing. You guys know they're my favorite videos to film. I look forward to them every single month. I'm first going to be doing a run through all of the products that I received in my box, and then we're gonna get to playing. So let's do it. So the theme of this month's box is Breaking the Ice. It is a winter themed box, which I'm so excited for. And yeah, so this is a unit carton. You kind of have the theme in the front, and then in the back you have the prices of everything. I'm sure everybody knows what Boxycharm is, but just in case, I'm gonna break it down for you. The first thing that I see in my box, which when I saw this, I'm like, yes, I follow Boxycharm Latino, like I follow all of their accounts, so I'm always like, when are they gonna post a little sneak peek of their box? So when I saw that they were giving away one of these in the boxes, I was so excited, but at the same time I was so terrified, because you're never really guaranteed, like the sneak peeks that they show you are never really guaranteed. Like, you can get many different variations from your box. So when I saw that they had this, I was like, oh, I hope I get it, because I really want to try this product out. So this is a Too Faced Diamond Light. This is the Diamond Fire Highlighter, and it comes in this really cute box. It's like, marry me. It's like a little ring box. And then inside you get the other box. So you have another little box, and then this is, ooh, this is what it looks like. It is in the shape of a diamond, in a diamond ring-ish box. How cute is that? And this retails for $36. Again, I always say this, but keep in mind, your box is only $25 a month. So just with this product alone, you have paid off your box and some. So the next thing that I see in my box is the Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. This retails for $34. And ooh, this is pretty. Look how pretty those colors are. Whoa. Okay, next we have the Wonder Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. And this retails for, ooh, wow, this is a pretty pricey box. This retails for $36, and the packaging on this is super cute, super millennial pink, which is something that I'm totally in right now. It kind of matches my outfit a little bit. And this is what this one looks like. Oh, that's pretty too. I'm excited. We have a blush and a bronzer, and I really like the bronzer because it doesn't look too warm tone or too cool tone. The next product, when I saw the next product, my jaw dropped. I don't know how Boxycharm does it. I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it, because you only pay $25 and you get brands like, drumroll please, Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask. This brand, not only the brand, but this product is super popular, super sought out after. So this is why I try to sound smart sometimes in my videos, and I'm like, no, Nelly, no. But this product is very popular. Everybody wants to try it, and whoever has tried it knows that this is thebomb.com. This is such a good moisturizer. It's not only a moisturizer, but it's also a sleeping mask. You can put this on right before you go to bed. and in the morning your skin just feels moisturized and nurtured. It feels amazing. So I am so excited that we have this and that you guys get to try it. Oh my god, my nose is so itchy. I am so excited that this is in the box and that you guys get to experience this baby right here. And then the last thing that I see in my box is the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with Castor Oil. And this retails for $25. I have already tried this mascara before and I love it. So I think you guys are gonna like it too. So alrighty, yeah, that is everything that was in my box. My box is now empty and it's time to put it all together and play. Let's start playing because I'm really excited for this box. Okay, so I went ahead and did my brows off camera because they do take me a little bit long to do. I actually have to go do my brows because they are not looking that great. I feel like I'm very good at like hiding my brow imperfections when I fill them in, but I do definitely have to get them filled. They are looking very thick and very full at the moment, so I do need to get them tamed just a little bit. But we're going to go ahead and prime the lids, and I'm going to use my ColourPop concealer in light 16. And then I'm taking a beauty sponge and I'm just going to blend that all in. Alrighty, so we are going to take the palette that came in this month's box by Ace Beauty, and I am going to start off by taking the shade Crimson, this beautiful orangey shade. I don't know, it's speaking to me. I really want to use it, so we're going to use it. So I'm going to take this shade and I'm using an Alamad Ojitos number 2 brush. So I'm just going to place it all over the crease. And I'm actually going to make this shade my transition color. And I am also going to bring it right here in the inner corner because I am thinking about cutting the crease. I'm going to go into the shade Sunset Rosé, and I'm going to put Sunset Rosé like right on top, almost at the brow bone, just to soften up that pink just a little bit. I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Aruba, and I'm going to put Aruba in the brow bone as my brow bone highlight. Next, I'm going to go into the shade, how funny, and I'm taking this using a Sigma E27. I'm going to work it in the outer corner, like right out here in this outer corner. And then I'm also going to bring it in towards the crease, just to add a little bit of definition. So I'm going to go in a little bit darker, so I'm going to take the shade Nocturnal, and I'm going to place this in the outer corner, and I'm going to bring it up towards the crease and in. I'm going to go back in with my concealer, and I'm just going to carve out the lid. I'm going to go back in with a little bit of Nocturnal, and I'm going to just place this right here in the outer corner just to really intensify the outer corner. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go into the shade Sunset Rose, and I'm going to put Sunset Rose all over the lid where we applied that concealer. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and take a makeup pad, like a makeup remover pad. I have been using these by This Works. It's called the In Transit No Traces pads. I honestly only have one more left. I love these pads. I'm going to take this and I'm just going to wipe off any fallout that we have and really clean up the outer corner and the inner corner. Honestly, the process of getting your makeup done or doing your makeup is not pretty. Like, it's not a pretty process, but the outcome is just really pretty. Just by cleaning that up, like, the look changed. So don't get scared to go a little crazy, to blend all over the place, get messy with it, because you can just get a makeup wipe and just wipe it off, and it's like if you never did anything. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the skin. I'm going to take the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask, and I'm actually going to use this as my primer slash moisturizer for today's video, just because I want like a really pretty more dewy complexion. So I'm going to take the tiniest bit of this and apply it all over the skin. Okay, so I went ahead and I did my base makeup, my concealer, cream contour, powder, all of that. I skipped that because I have been doing that in every single video. And I also just did a super in-depth tutorial on that. So, and the box didn't bring like anything for that. So might as well just skip it for today's video. But I am going to go ahead and take a nude pencil and I'm going to line my waterline. Actually, I'm going to take the shade Nocturnal and I'm going to put this in the outer corner of the eyes, kind of like connecting it down here. I'm going to take the shade Shade and I'm just going to buff that under the lower lash line just to smoke it out a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and bronze. And I'm going to bronze with the palette that came in our box, the Trip for 2 palette. I'm going to take the bronzer shade, which is called Tulum. I really like this color. It's like the perfect undertone. It's not too warm, it's not too cool, it's really pretty. Okay, so now we are going to go in with blush, and I'm going to go back into that palette. And I'm going to take the shade Daiquiri and I'm just going to apply this to the apple of the cheek. Ooh, I love that color. I feel like my nose, the shape that I did today, I wanted to try a different shape. I love Sarai. She always has like the cutest little button nose and I feel like it works for her face. And I tried it today and I don't know. Now I'm going to go in with my Too Faced highlight that came in the box. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this right here as like a blush topper. You see how it adds like a pretty glow to the blush? So I think I'm going to do that. So I'm going to take the mascara and I'm going to apply some to the tops and bottom lashes. I usually curl my lashes before I go in with mascara, but I have no idea where my lash curler went. I'm doing a huge decluttering this weekend and I'm hoping to find it then because Mama misses it. I miss it. I love to curl my lashes. Usually on the weekends, whenever I do my makeup that I'm not filming, I will just do mascara, curl my lashes, and I'm good to go. So I need to find that baby. I'm going to go ahead and apply lashes. I'm going to use the Carity lashes in the style Jamie. I've really been liking these. I'm also going to do my lips. I'm going to style my hair and then I'm going to come back to show you guys the finished result and talk a little bit about my thoughts on the box. So BRB. Alrighty guys, so this is it. This is the completed look. I just tossed up my hair in like a super messy ponytail, but yeah, this is it. This is the completed look. This is everything using this month's Boxycharm, and I have to say this is actually, I think I said this in the intro before I tried any of the products, but I loved this box. There wasn't not one product that came in this box that I didn't love or that I don't see myself using again. I honestly see myself using every single product that came in this box. From the beautiful pink highlight to the eyeshadow to the mask that we got, the mascara, like everything I loved. And I will definitely be using again. So Boxycharm, you nailed it. This box was incredible. It was amazing. It was beautiful. And I'm really excited for February. So yeah, guys, that is going to be it. That is going to complete today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, for subscribing, for liking, because I know you guys did all that stuff. And yeah, I will see you very, very soon with a brand new video. Mwah.